All right, hi everybody. So we are going to continue to focus on area, and specifically our rectangles or squares are going to have a missing side. Okay, so we're finding that missing side. And to do that, if you guys remember from yesterday, we had to divide to figure it out because we knew the total. We knew one of the sides, but we didn't know the other side. So to figure that out, we needed to divide because to find area, usually multiply the length times the width, right? Length times width equals the area. But if we don't know one of those sides, that means we have to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. Okay, so let's review what we did yesterday. So let's say we have a square. We know one of the sides is 4 feet. We don't know how many feet this side is. So I know right away, and then I know the area. I know the total area is 16 square feet. Okay, so I know the total. And so if I can remember from yesterday, remember that if we knew the total, we knew one of the sides, we're gonna have to divide to figure out what that other side is. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's set up our division sentence. Our total always goes first. So 16 divided by, what's one of the sides? 4 equals what? Well, let's skip count by 4s until we get to 16. 4, 8, 12, 16. So we know that the other side here, that missing side, is 4 feet. So the total is 16 square feet. The area inside here is 16 square feet. Awesome. Okay, let's do one more. Then I'll have you guys do a couple on your own. I know that this side is 9 feet. I don't know what this side is, but I know that my total area, I'm just gonna put A now for area. My total area is 18 square feet. Okay, so my total area inside of here is 18 square feet. Well, if I know one of the sides, I know the total of the area, that means I'm gonna divide. Set up my division problem. What goes first? 18, right? 18 divided by, I know one of my sides, 9 equals what? Well, let's skip count by what? 9 until we get to 18. 9, 18. How many times did I skip count? 2 times. So my missing side is 2 feet. All right, now it's your turn. Get your whiteboards out, your markers, and your erasers, and we will do some together. So pause the video. Okie dokie, here we go. I know one of my sides is 2 feet. I don't know what this side is here, the length, but I know that my area is 16, oops, I always forget to put square because that's the total, right? Square feet. Okay, let's find that missing side. What are we gonna do? Divide. So I want you guys to see if you can solve this on your own. So pause the video, see if you can solve it on your own, and then come back and check your work. Okay, so you should have put 16 here because that's the total, that always goes first, divided by the known side. We know that one of the sides is 2, and then you should have skip counted until you got to 16, which is 8. So that missing side was 8 feet. Okay, let's do another one. Erase your board. If you don't want to draw the picture out, you don't have to. Whatever works for you. Okay. We know this side is 3 feet. We don't know what the length is, but we know that the area total is 18 square feet. Set up your division problem and solve. So pause the video and see if you get it right. All right, so now we know you should have put 18 here because we knew the total area was 18. We knew one of our sides was 3. So I skip counted by 3 until I got to 18, and that gave me 6. So my missing side is 6 feet. All right, last one, and then I'm gonna let you guys do these on your own. Okay. We know this side is 5 feet. We don't know what this side is, the length, but we know our total area is 35 square feet. Setting up my division problem so I can solve. Okay, go ahead and solve and check your work. Okay, so my total is what? 35. Should have put that there. The side that I know, the known side is 5 feet, so I put that there. 35 divided by 5, if I was to skip count by 5s, I would get 7. So that missing side is 7 feet. All right, my sweets, so hopefully that makes sense and you guys are getting better and better at it. Today, this is what you guys are going to be doing on Seesaw. So you will be finding the missing side of each of these rectangles. I suggest on your whiteboard sleeve to work out the problems. So for instance, for this one, I would set up my division problem and then solve for this problem. Okay, so work it out on your whiteboards to find that missing side. So then you'll type it in or label it right on that line, whatever the missing side is, okay? So you have 2, 4, 6, 8 problems, and then you're going to do a fun area game afterwards, okay? And so where you're gonna climb the ladder. Every time you get one right, you climb the ladder and you're trying to get all the way to the top to get the gold coin at the top of the stairs. Good luck with this. If you need any help, please come to the help group.